Yo guys, what's up? It's a new day, a new blog. So for today, I'm going to unbox the RK96 Royal Kludge keyboard. And inside the box, we have these items. First, the keyboard itself. It's RK96 96% layout. Next one is the wrist rest. I'm not sure if you call that a pad though. This one is the keycap spooler, and we have here the switches, extra switches. We have the charging cable, and also this is used for the wired connection mode. It's really cool. I can see this has a two type C both ends and type B. Now setting this aside so you can see the accessories again. We have the extra switches, the keycap spooler, and the wrist rest pad. I'm not even sure if that's called pad. No, it follows the layout of the keyboard. And now let's unwrap this butte. Along with the keyboard, we have the RK96 manual. And feeling the keyboard, it feels really heavy and it feels premium and durable. So it's really good keyboard, and it's compact. So you can see the keys, and we have here the volume scroll, and yep, along with the keys there are special functions. So at the top we have here the ports. So we have 3 ports here. Now these are 2 type B USB and 1 type C port. And looking at the back, we have here the USB dongle for the wireless and the stand support. It seems there's 2 angles you can do for the stand support. So for this one, this is 2.4G wireless dongle, the power switch on and off, and the switch for Bluetooth and wireless mode. So that's it, guys. It's really, it feels premium and it's really good for the price. Now we have here our RGB lights. The RGB lights can be customized. You can do your own custom set, which I'm going to show you later on. So that's how it looks at the bottom or below the keyboard, and it's really cool, guys. Now we're going to test the keyboard, how it sounds, and that's how thick it is. If you can see, I'm going to put down the specifications of this keyboard in the description below. So please feel free to send some questions in the comments or in message. So let's go ahead and test the keyboard with ASMR. That's it, guys. So I'm showing you the next is the keycaps, the stock and my old white honey milk keycaps. Right now, I'm showing you the backlight modes. To do that, you can just hit your function key and the print screen. That is how you are going to change the mode of the keyboard lights or the backlights. You can change the effect by just pressing function key and the print screen. However you want to uh, get your keyboard set up for the lights, just yeah, choose whichever mode you would prefer. And to change the color, you can press function and the delete button, or the delete key. Function, delete keys, and that's how you change the colors. Also, I am going to show you how you can customize your, or set up your custom backlight sets. You can set up 3 sets of your own backlight. Now you can do that by pressing the function key and then the numeric key 1 or 2 or 3. So you just simultaneously press function F1, sorry, function 1, 2, function 3. And then once you have done that, you can then select the keys you would like to set up your lights on, like this one. So I've set that up on my function 1 key. Sorry, function key plus 1. And to choose the colors, you can just press your keys multiple times up to the desired color you want to set up on your keys. So that's how I did it. After that, to save that customized or custom backlight set, you can just press function key again and backspace. That's how you save it. So for this one, I have what I have done is press function key and then 1, the numeric key 1, and then press all the keys I would like to set up the colors with, and then press again the function key backspace. That's how you want to save it. So for my keyboard, I have set up I believe two or three custom backlight set. But this is for demo purposes only. This is not how I want my keyboard to look like. But yeah, you can do that. And you can also refer to the manual. There's also, yeah, that's how it looks like, guys. That's pretty plain and simple. Just refer to your manual and yeah, enjoy your keyboard. Thanks for watching.